Daghan kita gina-ask kay Lord, no? Mag-asa sa iyahag peace, mag-asa sa iyahag healing sa atong heart, mag-asa sa iyahan na kanang i-rescue ta niya from something or i-bless ta niya. But we've never asked Him for wisdom to know Him. You know what? All of our issues is just there because we don't know Him. We are anxious because we don't know Him. We are depressed because we don't know Him. We pursue Him for what He can give instead of pursue Him to know who He is. And when we know Him, you will know the truth, because Jesus is the way, the truth, the life, and the truth will set you free. And so we've been asking the wrong things. So right now, you start asking wisdom. If any of you lacks wisdom, he should ask God, who gives generously without finding fault to anyone. In Proverbs 8, wisdom calls out to you. So instead of asking God for wisdom para sa imong decision making and wisdom para sa imong exam, you ask Him right now for wisdom to know Him. So that when you know Him, you know the truth. And that will set you free. All of a sudden, you're not anxious. All of a sudden, you're not stuck sa imong past. All of a sudden, you're not stuck sa imong unforgiveness. I'm saying all of a sudden because when you know the truth, it will set you free right on the spot. And then, mag-grow ka sa imong nabalaan na truth. You renew your mind daily about that. And that really needs wisdom. So, begin asking God wisdom for you to know Him, not for anything else but Him. And you will start seeing authentic changes in your life, and you will enjoy being in Him. So, God bless.